Welcome to Symantec's video tutorials. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to generate a CSR for ECC Encryption Algorithm SSL certificates on Microsoft Windows 2008 servers. Before we begin, please note that only Secure Site Pros and Secure Site Pros with extended validation certificates support the ECC encryption algorithms. To generate the CSR, begin by opening an MMC window, also known as the Microsoft Management Console window. Do not use IIS as the IIS wizard does not support the ECC algorithm. To open MMC, first click the Start button and do a search for MMC. When the MMC console appears, click File, then Add Remove Snap-in. Under the left column, select Certificates and click the Add button. The Certificate Snap-in wizard will appear. Select Computer Account, then click Next. Keep Local Computer selected and click Finish. Back on the Add Remove Snap-in window, you should see certificates appear on the right column. Click OK to have this added to MMC. On the MMC console, drop down the certificates tree, right-click the Personal Store folder, select All Tasks, Advanced Operations, then click Create Custom Request. The Certificate Enrollment wizard will appear. Click Next to continue. Proceed without enrollment policy should be selected by default. Click Next. Ensure that no template CNG key is selected as the template, and PKCS number 10 as the request format. Then click Next. From the Certificate Information window, click the drop-down arrow next to Details. Then click Properties. Enter a friendly name. The friendly name is mainly used to state a department or a fictitious name to help identify the certificate on the server. There is no technical purposes to the friendly name. Next, click the Subject tab. Here we will be entering the information that the SSL certificate will be issued for. Under the subject name fields, drop down the menu for Type and select Common Name. Then in the Value field, enter the common name for the SSL certificate. Once entered, click the Add button. Keep doing these steps for country, locality, organization, organizational unit, and the state. Next, click the Private Key tab. Then click the drop-down arrow next to Cryptographic Service Provider and uncheck the defaulted box for RSA. Select the ECDH P256 elliptic curve. Symantec currently supports only this elliptic curve at the time, but may support others in the future. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to Key Options and check the box Make Private Key Exportable for backup and exporting purposes. Click Apply first, then click OK. Back on the Certificate Enrollment wizard, click Next. Click the Browse button to browse and save the CSR file to a location of your choice. Ensure Base64 is selected as the file format and click the Finish button when ready. The CSR file will now be created. You can now open the file for use of enrolling for an SSL certificate. When opening the file, ensure that only the Notepad application is used, not a text editor like WordPad or Word. Thank you for watching Symantec's video tutorials. For further troubleshooting and support, please visit our support pages at symantec.com support/help.